Okay, students, good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to solve one more paper. This Kendriya Vidyalaya paper only. One more paper I'm going to solve this question paper. Look at students, first they have given the question. First question, look at first question is there now. Which of the pair is most effective packing only? So you have to see that which one is most effective packing only. You have to find only. Let's see, students, you know very well which one is more effective packing. Anybody have an idea? So which one is more effective packing? Anybody have an idea? So remember, students, one small point. Remember here, you consider you just take the simple cubic unit cell. Remember, simple cubic unit cell. Simple cubic. The simple cubic unit cell packing efficiency we just take here coming as nearly 52%. If you take coming to the BCC body center cubic unit cell packing efficiency 68%. When then you move to BCC over BCC over, next one you consider FCC, the packing efficiency at the 74%. When you come to HCP, hexagonal closed packing also, it is come as a 74%. And see here, you can see the order will come as generally you can see the order is simple cubic, BCC, FCC, and hexagonal closed packing only. When you found the simple cubic body center is the BCC, remove that point only. This so simple cubic is there, remove it. BCC is there, remove it. BCC is there, remove it. So what is the one here is the HCP and CCP? It has the highest packing efficiency will come. Look at the next question is the answer is B. Next question is the enthalpy of mixing up solution. A negative deviation. It means delta H value is less than the 0. Delta H value is less than the 0. So what the answer is? The answer is B only. Here also B nothing but is well nothing but less than the 0. Look at the question number 3. In this question number 3, what they have given? Which of the following is not? They mention very clear not only. So not according to the not proper not actually which of the following order is not in accordance with the properties of the states? So what happens? One of the properties not following exactly. Something is mixing here. You can say first one is bond dissociation enthalpy. We know very well is there now whenever atoms are very small. Fluorine atom containing of lone pair of electron. Because of the lone pair of electrons repulsion, the bond becomes weak. So F of bond dissociation energy is very less. So what they given here? Bond dissociation energy for F2 is more they have given. So my answer is first itself coming. Answer is A one will come. Look at the question number fourth question is there here. The IUPAC name of this compound. Very good question. IUPAC name of the compound. It means one carbon atom is there. It attached with the one bromine atom. Remaining in the three attachments are there. What three attachment here? CH2, CH3 one attachment here. And you can see here CH2, CH3 one attachment here. And you can take here the CH2, CH3 one attachment. You study in your 10th standard here, select the longest carbon chain. You select longest carbon chain. And in a given number such a way, the branching must get lowest number. So 1, 2, 3. So it means third carbon containing of two branches are there. We can see the 3, 3 like that. 3, 3 will come. Let's see here what happened there. Remember 1 bromo. 3 they have given. This is wrong. 3 bromo, 3 ethyl, pentane. So how much carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer will be the B option. 3 bromo, 3 ethyl, pentane. That is correct answer only. So answer will be this. Question number here, the question number 5 is then here. What is the correct order of the reactive to correct order? Where is Lucas test will apply test alcohols only. Okay. Next one is primary alcohol. Next second alcohol. Next one is primary alcohols only. So let's see answer is the C option. So always remember Lucas test prefer for the highly stability carbocation. Okay. Next one is look at the next question is which of the following statement is not true about the glucose? Is not correct about the glucose only. Glucose aldose sugar, as you know very well, glucose containing of aldehyde. Glucose is a pyranose structure. As you know, look at this is a pyranose structure. This is also possible. And what when on heating with the glucose? Remember, glucose on reaction with hydrogen iodide, it gives N-hexane, not iodohexane. So answer will be the C option. Next one is very good question is there here. Whenever they have given the network solid, always remember it must be a carbon family. In our syllabus will follow must be a carbon family only. What happened? They have given the iodine but a molecular solid. It's a molecular solid, so it's not answer. Here carbon dioxide also molecular solid only. Water also molecular solid. Only remaining left is D only. Remember here, consider the both are belong to same one. Carbon, silicon, germanium, like that, remember. So this forms a network solid only. Question number 8 they have given is there no the values of Henry's constant. You remember solubility inversely proportional to KH. Whenever any gas contain KH value is more, it is less soluble in the water only. Less soluble in the water only. So what is the answer? Is the large for the gases highly soluble, but large gases large for gases with low solubility. It means which gas contain KH value is maximum. It is that gas is less soluble in the water only. It is a less soluble in water only. Let's see the one more question, very important question they given here. What happened when sulfur dioxide gas passed through the potassium permanganate? Remember, potassium permanganate is a pink color. When you pass sulfur dioxide gas, it becomes to colorless. It becomes to colorless. It changes color only. So what happened? They given here is they know it becomes to colorless, decolorize the solution. Only. Okay. Question number here, look at the question number 10 is very good question they have given. Remember, stable carbocation. Stable carbocation means the carbon which carries the positive charge in a stable molecule. It will prefer the SN1 reaction. Unstable SN2 reactions only. Remember the benzyl carbocation C6H5 CH2 Cl no positive action because of this benzene this under resonance structure. So it is stable carbocation. Stable carbocation prefer the SN1 reaction. Look at the question is there here. They're asking about the boiling point only. Boiling point, remember, first you have to see the alcohol, all containing of alcohols only, no issues there. And you see the number one, you can remember, next one you can see the number of the carbon atoms. Carbon atoms and look at the number of carbon, which one is there? Propanol, 3, 4, secondary alcohol, the primary alcohol. Primary alcohol generally more I have the more melting point, boiling point only. So answer will be the D optional. Question number 10 is the nucleotide. Tide means remember nucleotide. Tide means it must containing of the phosphate along with the sugar plus base. Nucleoside is there no side doesn't containing a phosphate group, only base and sugar molecules are there. So what you can see answer is B option. Phosphodiester linkage will be there. Look at question number 13 is very good question they have given is there no. If NaCl is doped with 10 to the power of minus 3 moles of strontium chloride. Remember here if this question is there no need to do a lot of work is there. One sodium atom, two sodium atoms are replaced by the one strontium. Okay na? One strontium only. Why? Because the charge, look at the charge is there. Here plus 2 is coming, here plus 1 is coming. So how much given here? Suppose is 10 to the power of minus 6 will come here, 10 to the power of, okay, 3 moles are enough only. So what happens? They just the Avogadro number is there. Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 multiply with 10 to the power of minus 6 only. How much is coming here? Less than it become 17, 18 is coming on. So answer will be up to 17 and 18. So answer will be Delhi option will come. So it's a Delhi option. So remember next question is there here. Next question remember is there no. Most soluble, most suitable colligative property to determine molar mass. For suppose you want to measure the molar mass of the polymer, less temperature containing method only will prefer. The method we should not take the more temperature only. So you can see here the osmotic pressure is the best method to find the molar mass of the polymers only. Osmotic pressure is the best method only. Let's say the next one more question is there no. In the preparation of, you can see why xenon compounds are there forming complex means xenon oxygen generally they have the very close ionization energy value. So almost same ionization energy. That's the reason why they can able to see the compound only. Look at this question is there. Remember whenever this question they have given, when they have given iodine, iodine means less reactive. You can remember the Finkelstein reaction. Finkelstein reactions only. Okay now. SWOT reaction means remember silver fluoride, Ag fluoride. Okay na? Like this SWOT reaction. Wurtz reaction means remember alkyl halide. Okay na? Alkyl halide, two alkyl halides only. Friedel-Crafts reaction, you know very well that reaction I don't need to mention. Next one, remember identify the major product. Very good question again. What is the major product? Remember because of the H plus and Br minus will attack on the carbon, hydrogen will attack on the oxygen. We can able to see the CH3, CH2, OH plus CH3 iodine. So this is the product. This is the product. So what is the answer? Is the answer is the okay? A answer is correct answer. Let's see the which of the following is optically inactive except glycine. All amino acids are optically active only. Answer is A. Look at the next question. Is remember is there is very good question they given. Atoms of element is B HCP. Remember HCP nothing but 74% FCC like that only 4 atoms will be there. So what happened there? B occupy the FCC. So FCC. HCP remember like HCP. 4 atoms will be there. So what they mention is that here the A occupy the 2 by 3rd of the tetrahedral voids. 2 by 3rd of the tetrahedral voids only. So what is the formula? So for this compound is then I am going to see the formula. You can see the first they have mentioned A. It means I know very well is then I remember the formula like NaCl. Always metal will come first. So I'm just taking this one. Just generally I'm just taking number of octahedral void is then suppose is consider the so occupy the number of octahedral void. Let's say suppose you remember B value is there equal to the number of the atom. A value of tetrahedral voids become to 2n. Number of octahedral void, number of tetrahedral void relation octahedral void equal to 2 into tetrahedral void. So what they have given, suppose I'm just taking the number to 2n molecules they're occupying the 2 by 3rd of the tetrahedral void. How much percent? 2 by 3rd only. You take the B, B nothing but n molecules are there. So remember this is A, this is a B. So you can see what happened there, multiply here. What happened there? 4n by 3 is equal to n. Simply just take this one is just consider you just take here. What happened there? Both just n removes. What happened there? 4 is to 3 ratio. It means A, B ratio nothing but 4 is to 3. The answer is the A option only. Let's see the one more question they have given is there now. What type of defect shown by the K plus Cl minus? K plus and Cl minus both are same size. Same size means Frenkel defect, metal excess defect will not possible. Frenkel defect you can see in the AgCl like that compounds only, D block elements only. Metal excess defect also you can see D block elements only. So what happened there? You can see the answer is the Schottky defect. Strontium is there, strontium will come as this, they mention of strontium, so you can go with the option A only. Look at the next question they have given. Xenon tetrafluoride react with the water molecule. What is the product? Xenon tetrafluoride react with the water molecule form a xenon trioxide, HF plus O2. Okay, na? HF plus O2 will come only. Question number 22. Although electron gaining enthalpy of fluorine is less negative as compared with chlorine. What they are saying now, fluorine is the strongest oxidizing agent. You see, the electron gaining enthalpy just taking fluorine and chlorine is more. But fluorine is considered as the strongest oxidizing agent. What reason behind means the low hydration enthalpy and also you can say the low bond dissociation enthalpy. So here is answer is coming, both A and B is coming. You can go with the B option is more only. Suppose I want to prepare the pure N2 by heating. Metal azides are undergo decomposition daily. Metal azides easily will give only. So this one is the best way only. Question number 24. Remember all if this one also will give, this one also will give. Okay, no, this one also. But this is the best method only. Look at this question is there now. What must be done by the scuba diver to avoid the bends only? You remember when the person entered the water, when he's coming back, because of nitrogen small trapping will take place, we will get the bendings only, pain will come. In order to prevent that one is they can use the 56% of helium, 12% nitrogen, 30% of the oxygen only. Okay, na? I'm just taking a roughly answer. This one is. Next one is phenol is react with caustic soda. Remember phenol react with caustic soda. React with sodium hydroxide followed by the carbon dioxide. This reaction also gives the salicylic acid. Kolbe reaction. It is called as a Kolbe reaction. So Kolbe reaction. Sorry. Okay, students, 50% is completed. Remain 50% I will redo in the next class. Thank you, students.